Hi guys, it's Key, and today we'll be talking about the Doubletree Hotel located in Orlando, Florida, outside of the entrance of Universal Studios on Major Boulevard. Please like, share, and subscribe to my page below, and check out my other videos. Here's a view of the lobby. They're definitely still doing the fresh cookies even though we're in COVID. I used the Hilton app for a quick check-in, but just so you know, there's still valet available, concierge, and an awesome gift store. Using the Hilton app was awesome. Next, on our way to the room 1435. The type of room that I booked was a one-bedroom king with the universal view. Let's see what's there. All right, as you can see, there's a king-size bed, your typical hotel phone, there is a closet, and it was January at the time of this visit, and they kept the room at about 60 degrees with the air conditioning. Let's see what's in the closet. Okay, plenty of space, an ironing board, an iron, and a safety deposit box in case you want to place any valuables in there for protection. As you can see, there is a green sofa on the side in case you want to chill, relax, enjoy yourself, kick your feet up. There's also a desk available in case you need to do some work, some school work. There was I believe it was a 42-inch television there. It does come with coffee, creamers, and a good thing for me, tea. I don't drink coffee, but I absolutely drink tea. Nicely framed mirror. And because it was nighttime, I couldn't get a really good view of Universal, but it's right across the street where those flashing lights are. That's actually one of the roller coasters over there. A full-size mirror. Great for selfies. And now to the bathroom. I really like the color scheme here. The green, forest greens, various of greens and the brown. The countertop is gorgeous. And it does have all your basic amenities. What I did notice is the hotel did not bring freshly used towels each day. I believe you had to request them, but luckily we weren't there long, so we were able to use the same ones. It does come with a hair dryer and rolls of tissue already prepared, and this nicely updated shower. And now let's talk about the other things on site. There is an ice cream store. They have macaroons and lots of ice cream options. Guys, I've been staying at this hotel for 10 years and I've never had a chance to go to this store, but here are their hours. Outside of there is a backside. There is a fire pit there so you could warm up if necessary, and it's beautiful for the scenery. The hotel has an American grill, restaurant, Starbucks, a pizza store, a gym on site, as well as a normal breakfast store. And now to the pool. The entrance to the pool actually can lead to the pool or to the arcade as well. So if you're bringing kids, which is an awesome place to bring kids, you should do so. I've brought my kids to this location probably 4 or 5 times in their lives, and they're very familiar with it and they love it. There's everything that you need right on site, even if you're just going without kids. There's food available, and the pool is also very nice, and towels are included. There's also a jacuzzi just there to the right. Now, if you're headed to Universal, the awesome thing is the hotel has a walkway to get directly there because it's very close. It's about a 15-minute walk. I enjoy the scenery. You also have the ability to use a shuttle with the hotel, but I personally prefer the walk because I love the ambiance and seeing the freshly landscaped area on its way. Again, the hotel does have a shuttle. And this is a view of City Walk at Universal Studios. It's quick, easy, accessible. Again, I've stayed here multiple times. I would highly recommend it to a family, as well as it being affordable. Definitely give it a shot.